everybody for Ma'am Sarah Estanislao.
Hi, good evening, Bini. Iyak po ako ha. Baka nakita niyo ako umiyak. Si Venice, we met her when we moved to Production City, like maybe in 2000, 2 years old sila that time. Nung magkita-kita yung mga bata, they were 4 girls and 1 boy. Due to movement in Dubai, 2 na lang sila ngayon. So, I realized that Dubai is a place where people come and go. And the only time these kids would cherish the friends that they met along the way is to have the photographs, the videos that they can have together. So my gift for you, Venice, I'll help you open it. Princess told me her favorite color is purple. I hope that's correct, Denise. Yes. So this is a Polaroid camera, Fujifilm Instax. So she can take pictures as much as whenever she have those moments with her friends. Princess and Venice, they love each other so much. What I really appreciate with Venice is she always tells us she wants to be a part of our family. And Doreen has to explain to her that they are friends, and I am the family, and your brothers and sisters are the family. At her age, na-appreciate niya yung love and care ng mga kaibigan niya. And she considers her friends family. And to us, Venice is a family. She's my baby's little twin. So I love you, Venice.
Very well said. Thank you so much for the heartfelt message, Ma'am Sarah Estanislao. She deserves a big round of applause, please. All right.